Hello students, today we are discuss about the language of chemistry. In this case, two main words, language and chemistry. What is the language? Language is the communication skill. And chemistry, if the communication skill in the chemistry, that is called the language of chemistry. So first, symbol. Symbol is a short form of an element. For example, carbon. Its short form C. So C is the symbol of carbon. A symbol represents a specific element or one atom of an element. For example, S represents one atom of the element sulfur. S is the symbol of sulfur and it represents one atom of the element of sulfur. A symbol also represents the weight of the element equal to its atomic weight. That is, it represents how many times an atom is heavier than one atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit, that is the AMU. Again, how many times an atom is heavier than atomic mass unit. So which is defined as 1/12 of the mass of a carbon atom, that is the C12. Introduction to concept of a symbol. In 1807, John Dalton suggested figurative symbols for atoms of element. For example, this symbol, this circular symbol is the oxygen and symbol of the oxygen O. But on that time, this is the figurative symbol, a circular symbol, that is the oxygen. This is the hydrogen. This is sulfur and this is nitrogen. So what is the difference among them? Oxygen is only circular shape, hydrogen in between, in central part a spot like a structure, that is the hydrogen. In sulfur a plus structure inside the circular, and nitrogen only for the one lining. It means this circular divide two parts. So that is the nitrogen. What is the example of molecular representation? Suppose that ammonia, its symbolic structure is the NH3. So what is the figurative structure or figurative symbol of the ammonia? Actually ammonia NH3, N, that is the nitrogen is the N. So here the structure is N. H3 is the hydrogen, one structure, two structures and three structure, and each one spot, one spot and one spot. So this is the figurative structure of ammonia. Second, sulfur dioxide. Its molecular structure SO2, but its figurative symbol SO2, S, sulfur, S. This is the symbol of S. Here sulfur, symbol of this. So this symbol here. O2, this is the oxygen. O2, two oxygen. So this is the symbol of sulfur dioxide. This is the sulfur and this is the oxygen, two oxygen. So that is the sulfur dioxide. And third, hydrogen sulfide. Its molecular structure H2S. So here H2S. So S. This is the sulfur. A structure of sulfur. And H2. Here hydrogen. hydrogen H2. So here this is the structure of hydrogen sulfide. So this structure is the figurative symbol, and this symbol proposed by John Dalton in 1807. In 1814, Berzelius suggested a simple system of representing elements with symbol. In 1814, Berzelius suggested a simple system of representing elements with symbol. In most cases, the first letter of the name of an element was taken as the symbol for that element and written as capital. So that is written in the capital. For example, carbon, its first letter is the C and C written in capital. The sulfur, first letter is S. So S is the symbol of sulfur. But in cases where the first letter is already adopted, the initial letter is capital together with its small letter from its name were used. For example, calcium. Here first letter is the C, but in the carbon first letter C. So first letter is already adopted. Then second letter A, that is the small a. So Ca, C is capital and A is small. So Ca is the symbol of calcium. Then this is the silicon. First letter S is capital. Here sulfur, first letter S is adopted. So then here second letter I is a small. Si is the symbol of silicon. Symbol for some metals were derived from their Latin names. So in this case, in this chart, this is the element name, this is the element name, this is the Latin name, and this is the symbol. Copper, its Latin name cuprum, Cu is symbol. Iron, its Latin name ferrum, Fa symbol. Potassium, its Latin name kalium, K is the symbol. Gold, its Latin name aurum, Au is the symbol. Silver, its Latin name argentum, Ag is symbol. Lead, plumbum, its Latin name plumbum, Pb is symbol. Sodium, its Latin name natrium, Na is symbol. Mercury, its Latin name hydrargyrum, its symbol Hg.